Experience the harmony of cool and fire with our innovative essential oil diffuser. Combining the realistic flame effect from smart LED lights fire and the refreshing cool mist. This diffuser offers the choice of gentle flame or violent flame with a simple touch. It's like having a calming fireplace by your side, providing a truly relaxing and healing atmosphere at night. Indulge in super quiet bliss for a good night's sleep. Engineered with unique noise reduction technology, the diffuser operates at a whisper quiet level, below 36 decibels. It creates a soothing vapor sound, akin to white noise, promoting relaxation and making it easier for you to drift into a peaceful sleep. Advanced mist creation technique. Say goodbye to traditional heating methods. Our humidifier utilizes ultrasonic vibrations to produce a flawless mist. By atomizing water and oil, it ensures a perfect vapor that preserves the therapeutic properties of your favorite essential oils. Safety first with waterless auto off. Focus on your activities without worrying about the humidifier. It automatically stops when the water runs out, preventing any safety hazards and ensuring the well-being of your family. Gifts that care and warm hearts. This diffuser makes an ideal gift for friends and family, offering relief from dry air and providing a moment to relax. Add a few drops of your preferred essential oil for a fragrant ambience in your office, gym, spa, or home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting content, friend.